what's your crew? It's ibyl, and today I'm coming to you all with another financial journey video. So today I'm going to share with you all 3 financial goals I have for 2019. If you haven't already planned out your goals for this year, we're coming to the end of the first quarter. You still have 3 more quarters to go. There's 4 quarters in a year. So if you for some reason been sleeping this first quarter, you can still crank it in gear and be ready for the second, third, and fourth quarter. I created my goals before the year started, but you're just now getting the video with the goals. I want to be able to look back at this video at the end of the year and check off what I have accomplished. Alright, so goal number 1, I want to get a part-time job or jobs and use all the money from my part-time jobs to pay more towards debt so that I can pay off debt quicker. Also want to, goal number 2, pay off at least, at minimum, 60% of the remaining debt I have left. I want to be able to pay off 6% of the remaining debt I have left. And one thing I'm saving for when I do my debt-free screen here on YouTube, I'm saving my total amount of debt that I paid for that video. So I haven't told anyone my total amount. I just told you how much I have paid so far, but I haven't told how much my total amount of debt is. But when I finally do my debt-free screen video, I'm going to reveal the exact amount of debt I've paid off. But yeah, I want to be able to pay off 60% at minimum of that total amount of debt. If I can pay more, that'd be great, but at minimum, that's my goal. Another goal is to stick to a monthly goal. The habit of writing it before the month starts, checking it, being meticulous about it, making sure that I'm following my plan, and checking to make sure I'm following my plan. So I do it on paper, but also doing the app as well. So just sticking to the budget. If it's not on the budget, I'm not doing it. And then it's also to make sure I'm projecting for the month ahead to make sure everything that should be on the budget should be there. So those are my 3 goals. Stick to a monthly budget. So that means plan, check my plan, follow my plan. Have a part-time jobs, and use the money from a part-time job to go towards debt, to pay it down quicker. And 3, paying off at minimum 60% of my total remaining debt. You all cheer me on for my 3 goals. If you want to share in the comments below your 3 goals or one of your goals you have for 2019, please share below. These are my 3 financial goals. I have this year done the Wheel of Life. If you're not familiar with that, just search for it. I'm not sure who created it, but I set my goals according to the Wheel of Life, and I set them as SMART goals. So I have certain things I want to achieve each quarter and so forth. And if you aren't doing that, I would suggest you try the Wheel of Life. So it means you're setting goals financially, socially, professionally, spiritually, physically. I noticed that I'm slacking in some of my areas so far this year, but it's good to have it on paper so you can track yourself. If you see that you're slacking, you can put in a plan in place to fix that. If you want me to do a video about the Wheel of Life, goal setting, let me know. This one's specifically about my financial goals, and that's only one part of the wheel. There's so many other areas. I think there's like 7 different areas. So we don't need to just have one area that we're focusing on. We should balance out our life and focus on all 7 and have specific goals for each. If you use the Wheel of Life for goal setting, let me know in the comments below. If you want more information about it, you can search, or if you want me to do a video about it, let me know as well. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next video. Peace.